You don't need a bestseller, you need a book that builds your business. Every day, entrepreneurs are told that writing a book is a nice to have, but what if I told you it's the most powerful marketing tool you're not using yet? In a world filled with noisy social feeds and endless webinars, nothing cuts through the clutter like a published book. It gives you instant credibility, elevates your authority, and becomes a lead generating machine that works while you sleep. Publish to Profit isn't just about helping you write a book, it's about showing you how to use your book to attract dream clients, charge premium prices, land speaking gigs, and grow a business that thrives on your expertise. If you've ever thought, I'm not a writer or I don't have time, this course is designed to silence those doubts and show you a clear, repeatable system to become a published author and a recognized expert in your field. You already have the knowledge. Now it's time to package it in a way that builds trust, creates opportunity, and fuels your business growth. Let's turn your story, strategies, and smarts into the most powerful asset your brand will ever have. Click below to learn more.